right, so with the World Athletics Indoor Championships on the way, boys and girls champs just around the corner, Crifta Games around the corner, we're getting in on the sporting action with a fun challenge, a balloon and spoon race, but with hurdles along the way. First thing, folks, the balloon can't hold a nice spoon because the spoon is the smallest spoon I ever see in my life. So...
Then I work on the ogre them, yeah.
See the balloon can't stay in it. Unless I stay so. So what, we do it at the same time or your time us to say we'll do it quicker?
No, one at a time.
One at a time.
Hold on, Sim.
No, Sim. You're going on like you're smart. You're holding on to the balloon and you mash up the earth.
My hurdle fell! What happened?
So you lose already. You mash up the hurdle.
I never even touched your hurdle. It was the breeze.
You mash up the hurdle.
And what kind of styrofoam? These hurdles are not hurricane worthy.
Hold on, man. So just there.
Dominique, can we hold?
See, you are holding it. You're not supposed to hold it.
There's no other way.
Right. No, I am not holding it. All right. Will this all take forever?
All right, come back now.
No, come back.
No,
what?
you cannot start the race. We never start the race properly. Come back.
One at a time.
It's one at a time? Why?
All right, both of them try to go over that together.
Can I get to back, mama?
It's one at a time for true? I thought it was a race.
All right. We'll do one at a time, and then we'll do one race.
Okay.
So I gone back.
Time left for real then.
So I gone back to here then.
I didn't. It wasn't me. Shaggy over here. Now come back here. You don't come back in. Teamwork makes a dream work.
All right, we're going one at a time. You just hold it. Since we're going one at a time.
Okay.
All right.
5, 4.
No, wait. You're gonna time him?
2, 1, go.
Ladies
Does
and
that count?
Ladies and germs. We win. How much?
16 seconds.
16 seconds. I'll hold it for you.
16 seconds.
Yep.
That felt like 2 minutes.
Whatever.
Who is doctor in the clock?
Aye.
5.
Wait, I'm not ready.
4.
I'm not ready. I'm going through my process. Hold on. I'm an athlete, guys. Don't rush me.
5, 4.
Wait. I have to steady myself.
2,
Let me steady myself.
1, go.
Okay. Because my process wasn't ready. The clock is still running? No, man. No, man. That track here, there's a problem with this track. This track is ridiculous.
Counting down.
Why does it keep? You're holding it there?
3,
No, sir.
2,
What?
1, go.
My balloon. Sorry, Dave. Never almost lick it proper.
By the no. She was disqualified.
How was I disqualified?
Because you had it against.
I did not have it against my chest.
You did.
One race against each other, both there at the same time.
All right, come, Summer.
I not play.
Come now.
I don't play.
It's a straight out race. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait.
That's it for something
These are the worst
to smile
in
about.
life.
Oh no, that was the fun stuff.
Watch it.
No, something to smile about. Whatever it
Styrofoam
was. We're so come. If you break it, you bought it.